Hello everybody, today in this video I'll show you how to easily hide your following list from your followers on Instagram, so let's jump right into it. First, let's go ahead and open Instagram, and then let's try out a random account. Let's try this one right here. Yeah, I tap on the username to open it. And since this account is a public account and also I'm following this account, you can tap on the following list and check out literally everybody that they're following. Now, to prevent that from happening in your case, you can go back to your main screen, tap on the profile picture on the bottom right corner, tap on the three lines in the top right corner, and then go to settings from there. From here, find account privacy and tap on it and make sure that this toggle is turned on. That will limit the people who can see your following list to only your followers. Now let's see how to limit your followers from seeing it. Go back to your profile and tap right here on your followers. Now find the follower that you don't want to see your following list anymore. You can tap on the remove button next to its username, or you can tap on the profile to open it and tap on the three dots right here and then tap on the remove follower. And that will restrict him from seeing your following list anymore. And that's how we do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you very much for watching.